Hi there, homeowners. Is your radiator not heating up as it should? You might need to bleed it. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. I'll show you how to do it properly in just a few simple steps. First, make sure your heating is turned off and the radiators are cool. Safety first, folks. You don't want to risk burning yourself. Next, grab a radiator key. You can find these at any hardware store. Place a cloth or small container under the bleed valve to catch any drips. It's about to get a bit wet. Insert the key into the bleed valve at the top of your radiator. Slowly turn the key anti-clockwise. You'll hear a hissing sound. That's the trapped air escaping. Keep an ear out for when the hissing stops and water starts to trickle out. That's your cue to close the valve by turning the key clockwise. Be careful not to over-tighten it. Now wipe up any water with your cloth. Voila! Your radiator should be free of air and ready to heat up your home more efficiently. Turn your heating back on and feel the difference. Remember, bleeding your radiators regularly can save you money on your heating bills and keep your home nice and cozy. Plus, it's a great way to impress your friends with your DIY skills. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy home tips. Happy DIYing!